guys, what's up? I'm in my car right now, as you can see. Here's the plan. First, we're gonna go get a Red Bull, sugar-free, of course, and then we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby because I need to get some tools. No, what's the word? Supplies. I need to get some supplies because if you remember from my thrifting video, I bought these pair of white jeans and I wanted to paint on them. I'm gonna get some paint, maybe like the markers. I don't really know what I'm gonna get because I've never done this before, but I'm gonna see what they have and yeah, we'll go from there. I actually have never been to a Hobby Lobby, but yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. Also, I wanted to point out, do you guys notice how you guys have a great angle? And look, I'm driving
and you're not falling over.
That's because I finally got a car mount. Look at this, I can swerve, I can drive off the road, and my camera stays in place. All right, that's all I really wanted to say. Got my Red Bull. I got the big boy today. Okay. The guy's fucking seeing me film this. I gotta fucking go. That was the most embarrassing moment of my life. Whatever. He's never gonna see me again. Let's just get out of here. Okay, so we made it to Hobby Lobby, and if I don't see what I need, then there's a Michael's right over there, and I'll go there. So let's go. Open sesame. I've never been in a Hobby Lobby, so I have no idea where I'm going. Ooh, okay. I see fabric right over there, so I'm gonna just head over there. Oh, here. Okay. I dropped these. I should have better prepared myself on a list of what I need. Okay, give me 1 second while I think. So I decided I'm gonna get black paint, and then I'm gonna get white in case I mess up, but there's white and then there's snow white. Are the dwarves here? Alright, let's go. Okay, so I think I found all the jewel papers that I need, but I don't know which one to get. I'm just gonna get these. I suck at drawing, so I'm gonna try to find a star stencil. I think that'll be the safest bet. Okay, where do I find stencils in Hobby Lobby? I just want a fucking star. Is it that freaking hard? No, you're gonna say like, why don't you ask someone? Well, no, I don't want to ask anyone. I'm gonna get what I have in my hand, and then I'm going to Michael's. Alright, we are back. I've eaten. I printed out some stars. I need to cut these out first. This is gonna take a while.
I'm already sick of it.
I did it. This took forever, but they're not perfect. But they're stars. I can't believe they didn't have a star stencil. That just blows my mind. Hobby Lobby didn't have it, and Michael's didn't have it. 'Cause I was gonna go to Joann, but Aliana told me Hobby Lobby is like Joann and Michael's on crack. So I was like, bet. What I wanted to do, I just wanted to put the stencils on and go pat, pat, pat with a brush. But I can't do that now. I'm just gonna turn this camera off, speed through it, and then we're gonna paint. We're done with these. I hate them so much. Okay, next I got this paint. It is the tulip, oh, it's metallic. Whatever. Squirt it on here, like that. Now let's do this. I'm scared. I did get the white paint in case I mess up, because I'll probably mess up. Knowing myself, let's make this calming and talk about the silly thing I did last week. So I was on my way home from the gym, and there's this street by my house where the curb is like, and there's a school bus driving next to me. I panicked a little bit and I thought it was crashing into me, so I was like, and then I hit the curb. You know, I was like, oh, that sounded terrible, but
we're good. And
the next day my tire light came on and I was like, great, I popped a tire. And so I checked my tire, it was fine. I was like, all right, that's weird. And then about like 4 days later-ish, I went to the store. I was with my grandma and my mom, and we came back to my car and I had a completely flat tire. I was driving on it a lot, so it was probably like slowly deflating, but it's weird because when you have a flat tire, you feel it, like your car is like off. So I did not feel it. There's these bolts on my tire or these caps on top of the bolts, and I don't have the tool to get that off. This literally happened last time when I got a flat tire going to Lost Lands in the middle of Bumble, Ohio. So I still didn't have the tool, but lucky I was with my mom, otherwise I would have been freaking out. And we called AAA and it was fine, but still, I was like, what the heck? You gotta be kidding me. Oh my god. How did I do that? I'm gonna make that white nice and thick on there. Step 1, secure brush. I post these, I'm gonna just disclaim that I'm no artist. I didn't have a stencil. 1 star.
Done.
Considering the fact that that 1 star took 10 minutes, I'm gonna do the rest off camera because
I really need a focus.
you see this? Perfect. I mean, from far away, they look good. Like, really far away. I did a lot better off camera, probably for the fact that I have extreme ADHD. So having to talk to you guys and paint at the same time, that's impossible. I'm just still waiting for this to dry. So with these, my only issue is that they're adhesive. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I saw a girl literally just like put this on the pocket and then cut strips so it's like fringe. I think it's good enough. If you're thinking about doing this, don't. Oh my god, I just realized I have to cut in between these individually. Oh my god. Okay, we got 1. Okay, honestly, this looks so bad. I think I'm gonna completely change what I'm doing. Oh, I'm just a mess. Hello? Oh, you wanna be in my video? This is my boyfriend. I'm filming changing these pants.
Well, I'm gonna come over and ruin it for you.
Yeah, I already ruined them, don't worry. Okay, I need your opinion because I don't know what to do. Should I make the entire pocket diamond or should I outline in diamond?
Outline.
Okay, thank you. Bye. He told me what to do with the pocket, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I can't open this. Ah, there we go. The outline's looking nice. Thing is with this glue, you open it and then glue just starts squirting out and then it doesn't stop. Oh my god, I'm getting glue all over me. Cute. Here's 1 pocket done. That actually looks really nice. Also, I forgot to mention, when I got these jeans, I didn't really look at the tag and what it was. And today I looked at them, I'm like, oh, these are J. Crew. I know the brand, but are they like a nice brand? Are these expensive jeans that I just ruined? Let's do the other pocket. Now that I know what I'm doing, this should be a lot easier. Look at that. Okay, so I think I'm done. After a long day of trying to find a stencil, deciding what I should even do with these things. You guys have been through a lot with me with these jeans. We bought them together. Now we're doing this together. I'm gonna style these now, so let's see how I did. Okay, here are the pants on, and oh my god. They're so much better than I expected them to be. I love how I did the big star going down into like an ombre little star. Honestly, up close, you can tell that they're handmade, but from far away, they look good, right? I think they look good. The back, oh my god. It's super simple, but it adds just a nice little touch, especially with this shirt with the fringe. It's so cute. And that's it, we're done. It was a rough start. Couldn't find the stencil, which was very irritating because I had to print out all those stupid stars. We did it, we made it work, and they actually look really good. So I'm happy. I can't wait to do a little photo shoot in these and post on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know the drill. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.